this lab is designed to help students learn how we clean and reuse our water. So the first thing that the students will do is get a pail of water with debris and garbage in it. Each of the students will take turns using tongs, removing all the garbage and the stuff out of the water. They will remove all the big things. The next thing that they do is add 4 tablespoons of alum to the dirty water. Then the students will stir that. And then we explain to the students that alum is something that is put in the water at the water treatment plant to help small particles bind together and form clumps so it can be strained out easily. This part of the experiment, the students have to leave it for a couple of hours for this to happen. So what I've done for my video is I have already done this one, and this water has already had the alum in it for a couple of hours. The next process, they will use a strainer to strain out any of the rest of the big pieces. So they'll pour it through a strainer. Right? Then the next process is that they will filter it with gravel. We explained to the students that sometimes they use sand, but we're going to use gravel today to strain some of the smaller pieces. So the next thing the students will do is pour the water through the gravel to get rid of all the tiny, small pieces that went through the strainer. Have the students notice that mainly just the sand and the little tiny particles fell through this. But it did take out all the bits of leaves and other trash that were in there. The last step is to use a coffee filter or a paper towel using a berry container that has holes in it. And this will be the final straining to get rid of all the little tiny, tiny pieces. And then the students will see how their water went from dirty and cloudy and with leaves in it to perfectly clear water. Oops. Ah! Guess that's that's why we practice this before we do it with students. And compared to the water we started with, this is very clear. I hope this helps the students understand how the process of cleaning our water and reusing it works. Thank you.